need to pour glass for punch. In the back, you know. Oh, it's wrapping away. You know when your mom's saying, like, don't try to do things at home? Here, next time she says that, do this. I don't know if I can do it. Oh, this scares hell. It is. Gotta do it. I freaking dare. Kill that Brian, do it. I can't do it. Oh, come on, Brian. Balls up there. Oh, yeah. Okay, this is like scary as hell. I'm not gonna do something, man. Go for it. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Oh, shit. Ah, oh, damn it. Oh, fucking hell. Oopsie daisy. Oh, I'm gonna see that again. Oops. Come on, Brian, don't hesitate there. Ah, jeez. Hopefully you got that there. Come on, you can do it. 1, 2, just go. Oh my god, that's so scary. Holy crap, that's scary. Oh my god, that scared the hell out of me. Holy cow, you don't know how scary that is. Oh my god. Well, I mean, the mess on the floor here says it all. Whoopsie daisy. Oh yeah, that's nice. Now you clean it up. Well, as they always say, if you make a mess, you gotta clean it up. Luckily, I'm prepared for everything here, you know. Hell, I can walk before now, so oh, that is funny. You know, like, is there like a fine line between funny, badass, and stupid? I mean, seriously. As Mother always said, if you make a mess, you gotta clean it up. Tell you what, my dad would go freaking apeshit if he saw me do that. Let's see about, see. I call that white bucket over there. Oh, you missed by 4 feet, Brian. Oh, I missed it. Oh, you son of a bitch. Oh, crap. I was just waiting for that. No, you don't. Gotcha. Give me the paper towel. Come on. Ow! Ow. Open that mouth. Friggin' jaws. Chain chomper. Oh, look at American Roaster. Why do you got a dirty American Roaster sitting at your table here? Oh well, back to these damn personal rolls. I tell you what, that's good shit.